Everybody, John Huber here, Maryland Education Network, brought to you by Maryland K-12. In my next episode in my little series here on what's going on in the Maryland General Assembly, this one is about teacher rights and union rights. Always, always an interesting and difficult topic, always very controversial. In Senate Bill 206 will allow unions to negotiate class size. Whew. This is huge. Traditionally, it's been off the table, and anytime, because that has been a huge concern from the unions, for the teachers, about sizes of classes. And the basically the school system has said, and it's been their positions have been supported through the case law. This is something that we decide as a school, and we are not going to negotiate it, and it's completely up to us, and the teachers had no say. That, according to this bill, is going to change. It's going to allow them to negotiate it. Doesn't mean they're going to all of a sudden, have say in class size. It means they're going to be able to bring it to the school's attention and try and negotiate it. This is going to be a problem for school system. They don't like that, and I can tell you why. Because I can tell you, if you look at, and I mentioned this in many videos before, if you look in any school, any individual school, there are many qualified, certified, good teachers who are not teaching anything because there's some they're the liaison to this or the coordinators of this, and there's some department chairs. Principals like to take care of the the teachers who work for them and who are good, hardworking teachers. And how the principals can reward them is through a reduced teaching load. Principals can hand out bonuses, they can't give them raises, but they can reduce their teaching load. So if you're a teacher and you're in a building and you're teaching your rear end off, and the principal's loving you, at some point they're going to say, you know what, maybe next year when we put the schedule together, instead of you teaching 5 classes, we'll only have you teaching maybe 3, and we'll have you go around and do some pull-outs or some resource work with some of the kids. Teachers love that because it's less classroom time for them. Principals love it, and so there's a lot of that goes on, and as a result, the class size goes up. Class size is a huge deal to teachers, and it is a huge deal all over the place. So anyway, the fact that they can negotiate class size is going to maybe begin to try and level the field a little bit for teachers. So anyway, as far as class size go, they've got plenty of leverage in a lot of other areas. So anyway, class size is now on the table for negotiation, or if this passes, it will be. So anyway, thanks. Have a great day.